Hello everyone, my name is Ian Gillespie and I'm going to be walking you through how to perform a restore of OneDrive data from Backupify's O365 backup product. So once you've logged into the product, you'll be brought to the status page, and from here you'll go to Recovery and then OneDrive. Once OneDrive loads up, you'll be able to search for the user of interest by name or by email and dive into their account. Now this will bring up the most recent snapshot, the last time we took a backup, but most likely if the data's been removed, it's been gone for a couple hours, maybe a couple of days. So we'll roll back in time using the snapshot tool in order to select a previous snapshot. We'll then dive in, find the item that we're interested in. I'm just going to select these two here, although you could search or dive into any folders that you needed to in order to recover content. You can restore to the original user or to someone else if you'd like. Today, we're just going to keep it with the original user. By default, it does restore with the permissions intact. However, if you have any reason to, you can absolutely strip those out. Again, I'm going to just leave it as is for now. I'll click Restore. You'll see that the restore has successfully started, and an arrow is moving by the Restores tab right here, meaning that the restore is currently in progress. I can go ahead and select this and monitor the state of that restore currently and even see when it completes. Once the restore is completed, you'll be able to navigate over to OneDrive within Office 365. You'll see that a folder has been created with the appropriate date and timestamp. This ensures not only is the restore nice and organized, it gives you a place for your users to find the data, but on top of that, it also ensures that this restore will always be non-destructive. There's no way for it to overwrite data in the live environment. From here, we can go ahead and dive in, and you'll see that the two items that I restored are right here now. That brings us to the end of our walkthrough of how to perform a OneDrive restore. Thank you very much for your time, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team